Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website pay you dogecoin every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. Okay, it's very easy. Go to, if you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your free faucet. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. Copy your dogecoin Faucet wallet address and come here, paste and click I'm human, solve this letter capture and just solve it. Okay, and just click next. Okay, that's all. Just click check. Solve this capture too. This one is a 7456 and just click get a reward, and you can claim your reward from this website. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay, and every 5 minutes you can come back and claim again. And this is the withdrawal from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.